How to use Snapchat Sounds feature step by step. To use the Snapchat Sounds feature, first of all, you have to go ahead and launch the Snapchat application on your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is now from the camera screen, you have to proceed to take your snap by pressing the shutter button for photo or simply holding it down for video. Once you take your photo or video, you simply have to now go ahead and tap on this music-like icon from the right-hand side toolbar section. From here, you'll find the featured music. You can also find your favorite musics or you can access your playlist. You can also go to the For You option to view all the musics that has been recommended to you. You can use the magnifying glass on the top left corner from the pop-up window to search for any music of your choice. Once you find your selective music, you simply have to go ahead and tap on it and then tap done. You can also use the paper clip icon or the scissor icon to chop the music to your preferred timestamp. Once you now add the music, go ahead and tap send to option and you can add it to your story or add it to the spotlight or even save it to your camera roll. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.